My friend, I hate to see you suffer. Events conspire to bring us to our knees. My friend, you've taken this the wrong way. Rise up, defend yourself, never give in. Look to the sky, the spirit of Ted 50. The endless tide is murmuring his name. Tohu Ted 50, they'll never be defeated. And even at the darkest hour, their presence will remain. Oh, I'll sing for you a song of Party Haka. Ted 50, language of the spirit, then stood accused, a madman and his dream. They saw the train go roaring through the tunnel. They heard the voice travel on the magic wire. But they loved the silence of the river. They dreamed the dawn pissed on the cannon's wheel. Tohu Ted 50, they'll never be defeated. Not even at the darkest hour, their presence will remain. Oh, I'll sing for you a song of Party Haka. One day you'll know the truth. They can pull out the roots. So come and take me home to weep for my lost brother. Yeah. They gather still, the clouds of Taranaki, his children's children wearing the white plume. So take me for the sins of these sad islands. The wave still breaks on the rock of Rohotu. And when you taste the pepper on your pudding, think when you taste the sugar in your soup. Tohu Ted 50, they'll never be defeated. And even at the darkest hour, their presence will remain. Oh, I'll sing for you the song of Party Haka. Yeah, now come to Party Haka. I weep for my lost brother.